Today on Wildfired, we are cooking chicken and pastry. This is actually my dad's recipe, and he used to cook it over a gas burner, but I did it over an open fire. It actually adds a little bit of smoke flavor to it. This is the best chicken and pastry I've ever had. An hour and 15 minutes. Chicken's starting to fall apart. So we're gonna go ahead and take it out. We're gonna take the chicken out, let it cool, and pull it apart. And I like to use really big chunks of meat. That smoke is brutal. We could have hand rolled our pastry, but today we actually brought ants, which I use it all the time. You get in the grocery store in the frozen section, and it's super delicious. Just added the chicken back to the pot. We're probably going to use about 4 packs of pastry on this. And if it's a little bit too watery, you can always add some starch. We're just going to add a little bit more salt. About a palmful. And we're going to add a generous handful of black pepper. If it's not enough, we can always add some more at the end. So we're just stirring in the salt and pepper, waiting for our pastry to finish cooking. It usually doesn't take that long, but since we're cooking such a generous portion, it's probably going to take a little extra longer. Add it. Just try to. Oh, I don't know. Final product. It's a super cheap recipe to do. So this is probably one of the best comfort foods ever. Chicken and pastry. I mean, the ingredients, there's actually 6 ingredients if you include water. Pepper, salt, chicken, the pastry. You can hand roll it yourself, or you can, and I'll put the link in the description for how to make the pastry, or you can just buy it at the grocery store. There's a little bit of starch to, you know, to get it to the consistency that you want. And it's really hard to describe. If you don't try this, I love you, Brady, but this is better than your rabbit salad. When I went to the store to get the pastry, it had just snowed and it was sold out because it is a comfort food. I cooked this at least 50 times, and this is the best that I've ever done. Today we're playing pastry poker. We have Atkinsons and Anns. We're gonna find out which one's the best.